So, you're wondering whether Vaseline can help protect your potted plants? Well, I've designed this experiment to show you. I almost surround the slugs with Vaseline to see whether Vaseline is so repellent that they end up going the long way around to get to that delicious cucumber. And I also got some footage of a slug rumbling through the cucumber, which I thought was quite cool, so I'd share. So, a bit of a spoiler alert, I don't think it works very well. I watched the footage many times and there didn't seem to be any signs of it working, a bit like garlic related repellents or eggshells. If you're interested in what I think works well, you can find out through my YouTube channel or my website, stopslugs.com. But basically, for potted plants, I'd say a slug stand is the best by quite some distance. So here's the footage, and I'd say it's quite damning for all Vaseline on pot lovers, as I'd really expect the slugs to find a route around the Vaseline if it was repellent, or at least struggle to cross it and flinch on touching it, which has been visible when I've tested other barriers. I'm planning on soon doing a mega barrier test with all the barriers I've found to have an effect being tested against each other. And I'm also trying to create a new and improved slug collar which works much better than the others that are out there. So subscribe and keep an eye on developments. And check out my playlist if you want to see me reviewing other slug barriers.